welcome back to my channel, and into this video I'm going to show you how to create glass morphism using CorelDraw. Okay, I'm going to show you how to create this glass morphism. This is what I mean by glass morphism. As you can see that this side of this model or picture is blur while this side is clean. Okay, that's what I mean. This blurry part to create something like this, as you can see, looks like a glass. That's what I mean by morphism. All right, so we are going to try to recreate what we have here. So if you are new to my channel, I am Emma Graphics, and this is where we learn everything related to graphics design. All right, so subscribe to my channel and stick to the end of this video. Without any further ado, I'm going to copy this picture here because we are using the same picture, and paste it here. Okay, so once you have your picture ready, we are going to click on this particular picture. Like as you can see, it's selected, as you can see. So press letter P on your keyboard to take it to the center. All right, so that's where I want to do my job. That's where I want it to be. So center. So that's what you need to do, because if you miss this step, you will definitely miss every other thing you are going to do. So you have to ensure that the picture is at the center of wherever you want to work, okay, on. So here we have a picture right at the center. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to grab my rectangle tool. This my rectangle tool is just to draw something like this. All right, so I'm going to draw something like this. So once you are done drawing, so return the pick tool and then click on the shape tool. So once you click on shape tool, as you can see, you have an anchor point here. You have one knot here, knot here, one knot here. You call this anchor point. So in this your anchor point, you're just going to come somewhere here, click on this side, one side like this, and drag like this, just to give you that, you know, glass shape kind of a thing. So once you are done, return return it to the pick tool and then select it again. Let me give it a color just for you to see what I mean. So this is, you know, what you need to draw to have it just like this. So I'm going to, because we don't need the fill color. The fill color is the white one. All right, so we don't need it. So I'm going to remove the fill color. Then I will change this thing is called outline. Let me give it white outline. So this white one is called an outline. That's the one we need just for you to see what we are doing. Okay, so this is called an outline. So you can, some people call it stroke, you can call it stroke, whichever one you want to call it is fine. So I'm going to duplicate this stroke and have it here. So this is the one I'm going to work on now, while I will use this later on. So now I'm going to copy this image. Right click on it and you see copy, then click outside and then right click on it again, you see paste. So now we have a duplicate of this lady. All right, so the next thing we are going to do, I'm going to quickly convert this to bitmap, this particular one, the duplicate one. So click on bitmap, click on Gaussian blur and Gaussian blur. Last you click on bitmap, you click on blur, click on Gaussian blur. But before then, convert it to bitmap first. Okay, so you convert it to bitmap and then you click on blur, click on bitmap again, click on blur, click on Gaussian blur. So depend on your picture. I just need to take this to 12. 12 is fine by me, 12.7. I think 12.7 is fine. That's the radius. So you click on OK. So once you have something like this, guys, once you have something like this, so you now have to right click on it, then you power clip it into this frame, this particular the first one, this particular one, this first one, power clip. All right, then click here to enter inside. All right, I don't know if you are following. If you don't understand what I mean, that means you have not subscribed, because if you subscribe to this channel, you should be able to know what I mean by power clip. So just click on this model and press letter P on your keyboard to send it to the center. Well, that was the reason why I say you should center the first picture, because the second one you still have to center it. All right, so what I'm trying to do now is centralization. So I've centered this particular one. So now click here to come out of that place. So as you can see now, that this side is blur and this side is not blur. So this means this side that is blur is the second picture that I power clip inside of this thing. So this first one is the first picture that we had, so it's still there. So I have not touched this particular one. So it's the duplicate one that I was able to blur and then power clip into this frame. I don't know if you understand. So we'll move on. So the next thing you are going to do, you are going to remove this outline, this white outline. So all you need to do, just right click. I'm using CorelDraw 2018. So I think if you are using 2024, this place that is saying X, I think it's just stroke. It's just one stroke. So those of you using 2024, I don't know how you're gonna do it. Just do your stuff. Just remove the outline. But for you using 2018, just right click here and it will disappear. Or if you are using 2024, you can come here and you will be able to say either none. Just click on none and click on okay. It will go off. I don't know if you understand. I sure you understand. So the next thing you are going to do, we are going to bring this particular one, or before then, let's just add let's add this to this. So I'm going to add a what's it called, shadow to this glass stuff. So I'm going to come to my shadow tools here. Okay, just click on your shadow tools and apply shadow to this particular one, this first one. All right, so once you apply your shadow, you have something like this. I'm going to increase this shadow, guys. So though it depends on your own picture, you can leave it the way it is, but I just want to increase the fader to 20. Okay, so you just come here and increase the fader to 20. If it's not okay, you can increase it to 25. Just depend, like I said, depend on the picture you are working on. So now so we were able to do that. So the next thing we are going to do is to I'm going to select this and select this particular one, select this particular one that has the white outline, and this other one that we just apply shadow to. Then press letter C on your keyboard and then press E, all right, to centralize this particular one, the second one. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to select the white one, the one with the white outline, and then let's increase it to 1.5. That's the width, to 1.5, and then click on OK. Right, so you have something like this. So the next thing you are going to do, guys, you are going to come here. This thing is called transparency tool, and it's partially reveal image area underneath the object. I told you, if you watch my the beginners class, you should be able to understand what this transparency tool means or it's used for. It's either to reveal or hide a portion of an object or whatever, picture or whatever. So I'm going to hide this down portion of this outline, the white one. So we are going to use it to do that. All right, so as you can see, this white side is off. So you can just play around with it to get what we are trying to achieve here is to have that glass edge, that line on the glass that remember, when you see glass, you can see the edges of the glass, look something like this. So that's what we are trying to achieve here. So you can, this is one way to do it. And then the other way to apply this edge, this white edge, is for you to either draw or just draw a circle. It doesn't have to be perfect. Give it a white color and then right click, like I said, to remove this outline. Just remove the outline. I don't know how you do your own to remove outline. Just remove the outline. Then bitmap this, convert it to bitmap, and go back to bitmap again, convert it to blur, give it a blur. Just reduce this, doesn't have to be too much. Something like this is fine. Click on OK, then reduce it and leave it just right, just at the edge of this glass, like that, something like this. Then centralize it. All right, centralize this, the glass, Control C. centralize it. So this is what I tried to achieve. So you can have something like this. So this is what we're trying to, what is what I mean. So as you can see, if you look closely, it looks like that glass sharp edge stuff, you know. So this is what I mean by morphism. All right, so I hope you understand what we have done so far. So the next thing is for you to just copy the text, or have your, if you want to write some text on it, so you can start writing your stuff. I already have my text, so I just copy and paste here. So glass morphism, this is how we were able to create this glass morphism. So this is the final result, guys. So tell me what you think right under the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like this video, share, so that other people can benefit from it. Subscribe to my channel, guys. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.